Paralegals can do just about everything that lawyers can do. They can prepare documents, they can draft documents, they can talk to clients, they can go to court with an attorney. They can do everything except give legal advice and go to court on their own, except in some certain circumstances where they're allowed to do administrative hearings, which is similar to court. Paralegals are used in law offices today because they're a lot less expensive than an attorney. If you can get a paralegal who makes a lower salary to prepare documents and go to court and meet with the clients, it saves the law firm money. So they use them a lot. Lawyers like to use their paralegal, and if you're a good paralegal, you'll have a really good job and you'll get paid lots of money. The best thing that paralegals can do in a law firm is free up the attorney's time. So that's what they want you to do. When I was a paralegal, I went to court with my attorney. I helped him put on the witnesses in trials. I prepared all the documents. I prepared the trial notebook. I prepared everything for the trial except the voice that comes out of his mouth. And that's the truth. But also, I think paralegals today help in ways that are below the surface. They help organize an office. They help with legal research. They do things that aren't apparent when you first meet the attorney, but a good paralegal is valuable. And I think in a way that you might not realize it at first. The best thing that you can do to be valuable to your attorney is know the rules, know what you're supposed to do, and show up. Paralegals today do everything that a lawyer can do, except they can't give legal advice, which is a really hard thing to do. But you're always, if you're smart, working under the supervision of an attorney, and you refer the questions to your attorney. The supervising attorney will almost always give you an assignment, and you handle it from there. Another thing that paralegals can do for their attorney is they can meet with the client, do the initial interviews, they can do legal investigations, they can go to a crime scene, for example, and take notes, they can talk to witnesses, they can make an investigative sheet, which our paralegals learn how to do here. They know what they're supposed to do when they show up. So they get busy and do the work. And a lot of times paralegals do all of the investigation, and then they hand their notes over to the attorney, and the attorney gives you another assignment. Draft a motion based on what you just found out. Legal research today is mostly done on computers, but sometimes you have to go over to the law library and actually pull out a book and look at it. And if you know how to do that, that's a good thing to know. But the best way to learn how to do legal research is to get out the books and read them. Get out the rules and read them. Figure out what your law says. If you're doing a criminal case, get out the statute, read the statute, see what it says, see what you want to find out. What do you want to find out about this case? What's the most important thing to find out? And then do your research. Find cases that are similar to yours. Read the law, read the rules. If you're doing a family law case, there's filing deadlines to everything in every single case. And the best thing that you can do is find out what the rules are that pertain to your kind of cases. If you're doing a criminal case, there's motions deadlines, there's filing deadlines, there's court date deadlines. And if you know those court dates and you know the rules that pertain to them, that's one of the most important things that you can know. And in a family law case, you have discovery, which means you write out written questions and you send them to the other side. There's certain time frames those have to be submitted. There's certain time frames when the answers have to be submitted. And you'll find the answers to those questions in the rules. And the rules are in a book called the Rules Book. And if you know the rules that pertain to your kind of case, you'll be valuable.